One Garage here. This is our second video installing the carburetors on Casey, our 89H1 ZX7 Ninja. So this needs actually a spring and a washer that go right here. The spring is 92081-1621, and the washer, yes, it's tiny, 92022-1480. It goes like that. The washer goes on the bottom, and the spring goes on the top of the washer, and this ultimately keeps it from backing off while you're riding. Make sure you cover up these intake holes, and then screw this on. We stole this from Catalina. You need one of these also. It keeps it in the bracket. So we're going to just put it like halfway and put the carburetors back on once again. We're going to go ahead and tighten these nuts for the throttle cables. It's a 10 millimeter. Just do it gently. All right? There's two cables, as you know. So the throttle cables are tight. The choke is connected. As you saw in our other video, I'll try to put a link to it. You're gonna route this down and below the frame into the bracket, and we'll show you in a second. Also, this fuel line needs to go underneath this. Let me put white lithium grease so it'd slip on a little bit better. The fuel line underneath this at a good angle, and then also the idle adjuster underneath this wire, okay? Not over it, it'll get in a bind. And then it's gonna come over here to this bracket. I am doing such a cruddy job. Come on. Let me get it real quick. So yeah, this is it goes in this little thing right there so it doesn't flop all over the place. Hope you can see that. That rubber piece is really hard to find. I need two of them right now. If you have one, let me know. All right, put the carburetors on square as you can, and then you're going to evenly push down, wiggling them back and forth. Try to be careful. You don't want to mess up the boots. And that's it. They're on. The next thing we're going to do today is hook up the throttle. And if you didn't take pictures and notes, I don't know what to tell you. It's a little difficult. You want to make sure you route the cables right. And then we're going to put the throttle grip on, getting that all working. And then we're going to hook up the bottle and try to crank it over and get it to run. So look for that video. That'll be a third video on the carburetors, I guess. Have a great day. I'm going to go do this as fast as I can. All right, later. Bye.